First, lay all parts in a stable and flat table. Then, place the filter, or check if it needs to be changed. Attach the hose to the compressor. The medicine cup has 4 pieces. Make sure to place each piece in place, or the nebulization will not work. Pour in the medication and close the medicine cup. The medicine cup can hold up to 10 milliliters of liquid. Attach the medicine cup to the hose. Make sure to plug in the device. Press the switch. It will glow once the device is on. Your device is now working and ready to use. Adult and pediatric aerosol masks are included. Use it as needed. You may also use the mouthpiece provided. There is a curved crevice at the corner of your nebulizer. You may place your medicine cup here. Disassemble your nebulizer accessories. You can wash it with lukewarm water. Place it over clean paper towels and leave it to air dry. Do not store anything while still wet. The package includes an N28 nebulizer compressor, an oxygen tube, a medicine cup, an adult aerosol mask, a pediatric aerosol mask, a mouthpiece, 5 pieces extra filter, a warranty card, an instruction manual, and the packaging box.